Hello guys, welcome to this channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell to get updated from us. Today in this video, I'm gonna teach you to scan in your Microsoft Math Solver app. Firstly, make sure that you are connected to your internet. This process is similar for Android and iOS device. Now let's get straight into the process. Open your Microsoft Math Solver app. Here we go. It directly opens your camera. Now all you have to do is you have to click the picture of your question in this way. Tap on that circle on the bottom middle in this way. Now it is scanning and it has already provided the solve for your question. In this way, you can easily scan for the any question in your Microsoft Solver app. I hope this video will help you. At last, make sure to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Also hit that bell icon so you get notified every time we post new videos. Thank you.